2. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. K equals the product of L and 8. K equals, letter A, K equals the product of L and 8, it will be 8L. Choose letter A. Question letter B. The cube of 6, it will be 6 power 3. The cube of 6, K power 3. But we asked you the squared of 6 will be 6 power 2. Okay. Question letter C. If 3x equal 27, then x will be equal space. We can divide it by coefficient here 3. Then x will be 27 divided by 3 equal 9. Question letter D. In the rule y equal x plus 4, if x equal 1, then y would be what? Put x equal 1 here, 1 plus 4, then y will be 5. Y will be 5, okay? Question letter E. In the algebraic expression, 5x plus 3, the coefficient here 5. 5 we called it coefficient. Okay, the coefficient here is 5 and 3 we called it constant. In this expression we have two terms. 5x simplify product x added to 3. Okay, the coefficient here will be what? Will be 5. Choose letter A. Next question, complete. Next question, complete letter A. If x plus 3 equal 10, then he won't find x plus 2. Okay, pay attention with me about this question. First, we can find the result about unknown variable here. X plus 3 equal 10. What is the number? If we add it to 3, the result will be 10, then x will be 7, because 7 plus 3 equal 10. Then x plus 2, but x equal 7 here, 7 plus 2 equal 9. Question letter P. In the rule 5x plus 1 equal y, the dependent variable here, we have 5x plus 1 equal y. He asked about dependent, it will be y. Y we called it dependent, but x here independent. Y depend on x, then x independent, and y we called it dependent. Question letter C. The variable expression x added to 10. We can write here x added to 10 or add x to 10. Add x to 10. Question letter D. The product pair or the order pair, space first projection, space, and second projection 2, satisfies the algebraic equation y equal x plus 1, then x will be what? We have y equal, question letter D, y equal x plus 1. He won't find x in the order here. We have x and y. We want to find y. He won't find x. He give us y equal to, this order was space and 2. Then we called it x. X, we don't know x, okay? But he give us y. He give us the dependent y 2. Put in this expression y equal 2. Put y equal 2, then 2 equal x plus 1. Then x will be what? Will be 1, because 1 plus 1 equal 2. Again, he give us in this equation the second projection 2. Second projection here to raise to y. Y here equal 2. 2 equal x plus 1, then x will be 1, because 1 plus 1 equal 2. Next question. Understood? Next question here. Letter E. The algebraic expression for x plus 3, the variable is x. We called it the variable. 4x plus 3, x is a variable. X we called it what? Variable. Next question. Question number 3, letter A. Examine these two expressions, 3 times x plus y and 3 multiplication. First here, 3 multiplication sum of x and 1, and second expression, 2x plus 3. Try to find the value. Try to find the value of x that will make this expression equal. Okay, who can tell me if we put x equal here 0 or 1 or 2, we will put here 0. 0 plus 1 equal 1, 1 times 3 equal 3. Write 0 here, then x, the result will be 3. So it will be equal to when x will be equal 0. Okay, so I will solve this example by a lot of methods, such as that. And here we can write equal or not equal this part. Okay, here at x equal 0, then 3 multiplication 0 plus 1, it will be 3, and 2 times 0 equals 0 plus 0 plus 3, the result will be 3. Then at x equals 0, it will be equal. Two expression here equivalent. And at x equal 1, put 1 here, 3 times 1 is 1, it will be 3 times 2 equals 6. 1 here, 2 times 1 equals 2, plus 1 plus 3, it will be 6. It will be what? Equal. Then the two expressions will be equivalent. Question number 2, decide if these two expressions are always equal and if they should be considered equivalent expression. We know first expression equal second expression if x equals 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So the two expressions are equivalent. The two expressions are equivalent. The two expressions are equivalent. Question letter B. Find 3 solutions for the inequality. For all solutions of inequality here, we have x less than or equal to -1. We have is a number line. We have lots of solution, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. The solution will be -1, -2, -3 to -infinity here. Then the solution will be right -1 beginning by -1 because we have equal to x less than or equal to -1, -1, -2, -3, and -4.